Hey you all, welcome back to my channel. I'm daezhanexo for anybody who does not know. So let's talk about this unit. Okay, so y'all have already seen my other videos on this unit. I have a review video, so check that out if you haven't. And I also have a video on how I installed this unit, so check that out if you haven't. So now it's time to straighten this unit. If y'all have been a subscriber of my channel, y'all know I don't mind manipulating wigs. Like I will buy a wig, pull it straight out the pack, put it on my head and be like, we're adding layers, we're straightening it, and we're gonna add curling rods. Like I will just do it all. I don't know if I want to do it to this one because like the curls just look so good right now. But let's be honest, like I can fix it if I don't like it, and I can buy another one if I don't like it. So we're just gonna straighten it because y'all want to see it straightened, and I want to see it straightened too. Information about this wig it will all be in the description box, but I also have videos dedicated to it as well, so check it out. This is the flat iron I'm gonna use because this is just like a cheap flat iron that I bought from TJ Maxx, and it don't do nothing. Like it just sit there. It don't do nothing. It just sit in the house, and it don't even heat up all the way. So we're gonna use this for our synthetic unit. I recommend using a a flat iron or any type of hot tool that doesn't get too hot. And so yeah, like less than 400 degrees. This is on 450, but let's be honest. Oh, a little spicy. It's a little hot. Let me turn it down. I put it on 325. All right, so let's just get into it. Start from the back. But yes, my first wig, well, not my first wig. My first wig was like it was a 3/4 wig. And that's when U-part wigs used to be called 3/4 wigs. And I forgot what the name of it was. It was like makeover. Yeah, I think it was called makeover. It was about Freakish Equal, and I believe it was called makeover. And I used to wear that wig because I moved to South Carolina when I was in the middle of high school. And I didn't have like a beautician or anything, so I had to learn how to do my own hair. And I didn't want to like wear my real hair because I didn't have anybody to do my real hair. So I just started wearing wigs. And I learned everything through YouTube, through the YouTube OGs like Ivy and Lakia and Fabulosity is Me, and dang, I can't even think, Peak Meal and Taronda, I think that was her name. So many black iconic YouTube pioneers. Like we really learned the game from them. Like your favorite beautician, they learned the game from them, okay? Well, it's straighten them really nice. So, yeah. That's when I started wearing wigs, and then I just always continued to wear wigs. But one of the wigs that I straightened that got like really popular on YouTube was the wig Inna. It was a sensational wig, and that was when like lace closures still weren't a thing, and like that dang on lace was so thick, like it was literally like a hump that sat in the middle of your head, and like you had the hardest time trying to blend it. But everybody loved the wig because it had these like Kim K bombshell curls, and everybody loved when Kim K used to do that middle part bust down swoop swoop. So that's why we kept buying the wig, but that lace was just terrible. So it's just really crazy to see how far wigs have come, because we thought we was doing something then, but like we really doing something now. But said all that to say that inner wig turned out really good straightened. So yeah, I have like a love-hate relationship for I have a love-hate relationship for synthetic wigs. To be honest, I really don't hate them. I just fall in love with them and then I fall out. Like I love them because they're just so different. Like every wig is different, every wig is individualized, every wig is for a different person. And you can have a wig and it can look one way, and then you put it on somebody else and it looks completely different. It just speaks to individuality to me. Like you can go and you can buy you some bundles and you're gonna have some of the same type of looks. But with a synthetic wig, like it already comes pre-constructed to be whatever the manufacturer envisioned it to be. Then you get it and you manipulate it. Like they have different names. They just all have their own, you know what I'm saying? And that's why I like synthetic wigs. And also, I mean, they last. And when I say that, that's like a, I don't know, it kind of sound like an oxymoron type thing, because they don't last, but like they last. They last in a sense to where if I curl my Brazilian bundles, by the time I leave out the club, they're gonna be flat. But if I go in there with my synthetic wig and it's a curl wig, like them curls are going to stay. But they don't last as far as like longevity. Like your wig is over. If you wear your wig every day, like your wig is over within a month, 2 months, maybe. Depends on how you take care of it. Depends on the fibers. Depends on the length. All of that. I can't remember if I said this in this video or another video, but I do have pictures on my Instagram of like me and all the units that I wear, or just anything that I do a review or anything on, so y'all can see. I know I'm the type of person where I want to see how it looks in video, but I also want to see how it looks in picture. I don't know, to me it's just different, but it's the same thing, but it's different. So, and Instagram is a good way to connect with me because I know YouTube doesn't always notify you when people post, and I typically like go hard on Instagram promotions to let y'all know when I got a new wig or a new video in general. Ooh, and she's kind of. And she goes like so good with this outfit. It's like I'm ready to go outside. Oh, you know what this wig reminds me of? It reminds me of that Freacher's Eco wig. I don't remember the name of it, but I had it in like a similar color. And I don't remember what the name of it was, but it has similar fibers, but these fibers are better. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. So let's be honest, we love it. We love it. There's no need to flex. No need to cap. We love it. Okay? Look at the dimensions. Smooth, not a problem. Not a problem. Let me find out that Outre. Who made this wig? Outre? Yeah. Let me find out that Outre is gonna make a straight wig like this. I'm for it. I bet, even though I already straightened my curl one, it's okay. It was for y'all, so it's okay. Girl, this wig here. Girl, and this is it. This is the look. This is it. This is the category. I don't know what more I need to say. You see it, go buy it. What are you waiting on? The color. Approve. It'd be good on any complexion, but child, on chocolate is giving me all the dimensions that we need. Okay, let me stand up. Did the wig get longer? It definitely got longer because, you know, it was curled. It's nice. And honestly, if you like curl the end a little bit, like flip it like that, the layers in it won't look so choppy, because I am getting a few choppy vibes. But this is it. This is the unit. Girl. She's cute. All right, so this is all for this video. If y'all have any questions, leave them down below. If y'all want to chat about anything, y'all have any comments, leave them down below as well. Everything that you need will be in the description box. Check out my Instagram and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.